Kowtow is a Chinese tradition of touching the ground with the forehead. So किसी के सामने पूरी तरह से नतमस्तक हो जाना, किसी के सामने पूरी तरह से झुक जाना is to kowtow. In Urdu, we have the word sajda, which almost means the same as the word kowtow. To kowtow literally means to kneel and touch the ground with your forehead as a sign of respect to somebody who is more powerful or who is more important. In our contemporary English, we do not really use the word kowtow in its literal sense, but rather we use the word kowtow to mean that somebody is behaving in a very submissive way, in a very servile way. For example, he's always kowtowing to his boss. So he's always trying to please his boss, he's always trying to suck up to his boss. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here. Let's have a clipping now.
How come you didn't go into work today?
I'm taking a sabbatical because I won't kowtow to mediocre minds.
So you got canned, huh?
So Sheldon says, I am taking a sabbatical because I won't kowtow to mediocre minds. A sabbatical is a period of paid leave granted to a university teacher for the study or travel. American universities में tradition है कि they allow the faculty to take a year off every 7 years. The purpose of this leave is to allow the faculty to utilize the time for self-study or research. So अगर कोई टीचर रिसर्च करना चाहता है, किसी डिफरेंट फील्ड ऑफ स्टडी में जाना चाहता है, तो यूनिवर्सिटी allows a year of leave for that. That paid leave is called sabbatical. Now, in this context, Sheldon has been suspended from the job, but instead of accepting what has happened, he tells Penny that he's on a sabbatical. I am taking a sabbatical because I won't kowtow to mediocre minds. Mediocre means inferior in quality. So Sheldon says कि मैं कम दिमाग के लोगों के सामने नहीं झुकूंगा. I won't kowtow to mediocre minds. Penny in turn says, so you got canned, huh? The word canned as a verb means to fire an employee. So Penny says कि तुझे नौकरी से निकाल दिया गया है ना? You got canned, huh? Hopefully we are getting that. Now, in this clipping, we have covered 3 words: sabbatical, kowtow, and canned. I hope we are getting the meaning of all the 3 here.
I'm a OD boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die.